Hello everybody and welcome to Art for Everyone. Today we're going to be making an origami dinosaur. Now this is going to be a slightly long video and you will need to pause halfway in between. If you find that you're having any trouble with anything, put it in the comments and I'll try and get back to you. And if you've got any ideas of what else you want me to make or show you how to make, put that into the comments as well. So let's get started. As with everything, we will need a origami paper, square. Let's get going. Okay, so to do this one, we will need to do the base as we usually do. So corner to corner, press it down. Now this one is a little bit more difficult, so by all means practice will be required on this one, so just keep practicing, you'll get there at some point. Again, corner to corner, just press it down and then edge to edge. There we go, edge to edge. Just press it down, open up again, and edge to edge again. Press it down and open it again. And as per usual on some of these harder ones, get the two corners together, bring the third corner in. Make sure that this makes a fine point and press it down, and then bring the fourth corner in just there and make sure everything's nice and tight. That point is made, and press this down. Try to make sure that most of these edges are in line, as these open edges need to be as much in line as you can get them. I mean, they're not always going to be perfect. Like I say, practice will make perfect. So, what we're going to do next is have the open side in front of us. We're going to take this open edge and go like that. So that edge comes to the center. And again, same with this edge, comes to the center, turn it all the way around, edge, open edge to the center, and again, open edge to the center. So you will have seen this before, we've done it in the past. What we're going to do, get that triangle, bend it down. I mean, this is very similar to the flapping bird, so if you haven't seen that video, have a look on the channel, you'll be able to find it. If this is in the future, I'll try and put a link for it in the description. Right, so then we open it all up, so we've got that bend using that triangle. We're going to open it back up, we're going to get this bottom over here, just that one page, take it all the way up, and these sides will bend in themselves. Just help them a little, and where we've got those lines or those folds already, just use those folds as guidance for the folds for this. This seems to be a really tough piece of paper. I like it. Probably do better because it's tough. The actual dinosaur will be more sturdy, which is really nice. Flip it around. Get that page, push it up, let the sides come in, use those folds as guides as to where your new folds need to go. And like I say, this is exactly the same as it has been in the other video with the flapping bird. So we're basically at the same base as that one. But this is where it starts going a bit more different. What we're going to do is we're going to open this here, this bit here, and this edge, what we need to do is pull it up and at the same time slightly bend it. Now it really needs to come to this line over here, so where that line is there, that's where it needs to come to. So that fold needs to go all the way in there. You try and make this as horizontal as possible, so this goes all the way across, all the way horizontal. And same with this, it's an inverse fold, so we're folding in, we're trying to get that there. Now what I find is once you've got it folded and it's at that point, what you can actually do is you can maneuver this and move it up and down ever so slightly, and then start pressing down as you feel that it's getting into the right place, and just help those folds a little bit. There you go. So you should look something like this. Next, I'm going to open this up again on both sides. And we're going to get this edge, this long edge, so on these both sides, we're going to get the long edge, we're going to take it into the center. So long edge into the center, and again on this side, the long edge into the center, and on this one, long edge into the center, and this one, the long edge into the center. There we go. And then we can close this back up. So actually, it looks somewhat like this. And sometimes these can be a little bit problematic at the end because there's a lot of paper being folded together. So they might need a little bit of help and just cleaning up as much as you can. And then, once you've got that, you want to fold any one of these two sides down. So whichever side you fold down, that is then officially the back. So this is the front, that is the back. This side that we folded down, that is going to be the tail. Now, what we want to do is we want to lie it on its front. We want to get ourselves a pen, just mark on where we want to cut. So there is a little bit of cutting needed in this one. If you don't have a pair of scissors, I actually do this with a pen and just go over it a few times. Just be careful you don't damage your surface beneath. Try and make sure that the two pen lines are approximately the same across on that small triangle. And then let's get the scissors. So this is a bit difficult. We want to make sure that we don't cut anything else other than this bit here. So let's just go on that line and cut these particular bits that we're cutting. We'll make the arms, and we'll do the exact same on here. There we go. Okay, right, now this is where it starts coming together. So now we want to push this back but fold this at the same time. So when we're pushing this back, we want to go like that with it and fold this inwards, right? Just push this back, just fold it a little, push that bit back, bring these two together, and then this will start going back itself. It will just fold on itself, and then all you do is just press it down most of the way there. You see the resemblance so far? It's almost there. It's getting there. Okay. Next, we're going to do another inverse fold. Now, there's a lot of inverse folding here, so this bit can be a bit tricky. Just as I say, practice will make perfect. Just keep trying, keep trying. So we're just going to push and bring that bit up and just press it down. We can actually maneuver where that fold is by moving up or down, and we can then choose. Now you want to try and get it as far as up as you can, obviously without ripping your paper. And there you go, that is the neck. And here we're going to make another inverse fold for the actual head. So what I've done is I've just opened that one up, push that point down, and then just pressed it again, moving the end to wherever I want, and then as you press down, that fold will become prominent. Then what we want to do is these little bits that we cut before, we can fold those up to the front like that. So you just get this, fold it up and to the front, and same with that, fold it up, up and to the front. There you go. And then these end bits, just do another mini fold in. They're the little hands. I think it looks like a T-Rex. I'd say this is a T-Rex, yeah. For the T-Rex, let's call it a T-Rex. The little hands for the T-Rex. And this is the hardest bit. The hardest bit because we have to do 2 inverse folds on these 2 each. This is the tail, as you can tell. Just curve it a little. That's the head. That's the hands. These 2 are the legs. Now the legs are a little bit difficult. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to open it ever so slightly, bring that point down, do that inverse fold. So we've got the leg going downwards, and then another one approximately the same is better. So something similar to that, approximately the same. If they're slightly different, it's okay. It doesn't make too much of a difference, because what you can do is you can adjust the way it stands using the tail. And then just another inverse fold, into this bit. This will create the foot. We should actually flatten that bit off. And another inverse turn here on the foot. Just flatten that bit off, and then just set it down on this like that. And you know, if it's falling over, if it's falling forward, sometimes it'll go like that. It's okay. Just bend the tail ever so slightly, and it should sit in one place. We can then decorate this with googly eyes, but I think these particular eyes are a little bit too big for this dinosaur. So what we'll do is we will just add a couple of dots for the eyes. And there you go. That's your dinosaur ready to roar at everybody. Okay, so thank you everybody. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, share, and comment anything that you want me to make next. Let us know, and see you for the next one.